IGL Ecocoat Poly is a professional-grade ceramic paint coating that is so user-friendly anyone can get professional quality results even if it's your first time installing a ceramic coating. Paint prep is simple. Use the IGL Precoat to wipe down your car to ensure the surface is completely clean. Using the included foam applicator block and the microfiber applicator cloths, apply a few drops of the poly to an applicator cloth and then using a simple crosshatch pattern, spread the coating over a section of paint. Wait 2 to 5 minutes for the coating to flash and then wipe this section using a clean microfiber towel. With 8H hardness, poly can last and protect up to 1 year against harsh chemicals, micromarring, and dulling while imparting an insane glassing appearance. With IGL Poly, you get long-lasting protection with a glass-like ceramic appearance that's faster and easier to take care of. Visit Autogeek.com for more information.